of turret. Indexing time of turret means what? Time required to rotate the tool. Suppose rotate the tool turret. Suppose turret is rotated by a 15 degree. You can see this diagram once again. Suppose in this diagram, from this tool you want to shift to this tool. So there is approximately an angle of 30 degree. So for 30 degree rotation of tool turret, you need some time. That time is called as indexing time. Now let us see the next advantage. Tool is identified directly with the pocket position, and hence it does not require separate identification. Or you can say simply we have defined the tool number in the part program, so you don't need to identify the tool itself. This is a simple method compared to tool magazine system. Tool magazine system, it consists of large number of tools, but tool turret, it consists of minimum number of tools. Disadvantage is that only limited number of tool stations are available in tool turrets. Now let us see what is a tool magazines. Automatic tool changer ATC consists of a tool magazine for storing tools and a tool change unit for transferring a tool from tool magazine to the spindle. So we have to transfer the tool from tool magazine to the spindle. In this way, the tool change procedure will happen. Normally, tool magazine consists of 40 to 100 tools. So large capacity is there to hold the tools. Tool magazines to be used have to be considered in terms of following attributes. Storage capacity of the tool magazines we must know. Type and the shape of the tool magazine we must know. Tool change procedure of that tool magazines, that also must be known to us. So these three parameters are important to consider tool magazine quality or the features of the tool magazine. First one, storage capacity, type and shape, tool change procedure. Now tool magazine. Advantage of tool magazine is that tool subjected to excessive wear can be duplicated, so that when a tool has reached to end of its life, another tool is ready for operation. So this is the great advantage of tool magazine. Once tool life is about to over, you can shift to the next tool immediately. So this is great advantage of tool magazine. Disadvantage is that due to greater number of tool storage, higher tool cost, obviously it is there. More power is required to move the larger magazine. Obviously, if there are 100 number of tools are stored in the tool magazine, you require more power, more torque to move the complete tool magazine. Suppose you want to change a single tool, you need to move the remaining 99 tools, so that you can insert the one tool in the tool holder. So for changing one tool also, you have to move a complete tool storage in the tool magazine. So obviously you require more power. Types of tool magazines. This is a one type of tool magazine, drum type tool magazine. You can see this picture. It consists of 8 tools which are mounted in a drum type tool magazine. So drum type tool magazine, you can call it as a simply a turret type tool magazine. It has a limited capacity to store the tools. Its a function is just like a turret tool holder. Drum type tool magazine, its actual picture you can see on this machine here. This is a drum type tool magazine. This is actual picture of a machine and where drum type tool magazine is there. Now chain type tool magazine, you can see here, it is mostly used in the large capacity of CNC machines. You can see here in the chain type tool magazine, these slots are provided for holding the tools here, and this chain is moving in the direction of arrow as shown in the figure. These are the rollers used, or you can call it as sprockets. Just like in the bicycle we use the sprockets to move the chain, in the same way these sprockets are used to move the tool. So chain type of tool magazine, obviously it has a more capacity to hold more number of tools as compared to drum type tool magazine or turret type tool holder. You can see the actual picture of chain type tool magazine. Here you can see the two tools are holded in this chain type of magazine. These are the sprockets, and this